In this video, we will show you how to configure your UPC settings in Sku Fetch. Sometimes your supplier items do not have UPC codes that can be scraped, or you may want to change the UPC codes to unbranded UPC codes that you provide. Sku Fetch allows you to control those settings as an add-on. To access your UPC Add Ons Settings, log into Sku Fetch. Click Add-ons in the left side navigation area. Click UPC. Use UPC codes is set to disabled by default. There are two other options. The first option is if none exist for the products. Choosing this option will allow Sku Fetch to insert UPC codes from a pool of UPCs if there is not a UPC code that can be scraped from the supplier. If a UPC code is present on the supplier's product page and is scraped, then the supplier-provided UPC will be used. The second option is for all products. If for all products is selected, even if the supplier has a UPC code that can be scraped, Sku Fetch will replace it with one from your pool of UPCs. Select the appropriate option for your business. You can select to buy UPCs from Sku Fetch for 5 cents each with a minimum of a $5 purchase. Simply select Buy from Sku Fetch. Select the amount that you would like to purchase and click Proceed to PayPal. You will be redirected to PayPal to complete your purchase. Once finished, you will return to Sku Fetch and you will see that the UPCs have been added to your account. They will only be visible when retrieving and listing your items in the listing editor. You won't be able to copy them from this settings page. On the other hand, if you want to provide your own UPC codes, you can click Use My UPC Code. Then paste your UPC codes in a single column in the box provided. They have to be entered one per line. Do not include any extra spaces before or after the UPC codes or any commas. Click Save. You'll see the total amount of remaining UPC codes to use. You've successfully configured your UPC add-on settings. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.